Hi and welcome back, and in today's video what I'm going to do is show you how to create an email account. What I'll do, I'll leave all the links in the description for you so you'll be able to find all the different pages. And when you arrive at the Simple Web Start, go to Classroom, Site Builder Demo, Website Learning Area. And what we're going to use in this example is the Demo Control Panel, so click there. This will then load you into the Control Panel. From there you want to go to Emails, Mailboxes, and then create a new email account. And because we're in the demo, you can select from any of these in the drop down. In this case, I'll just do test, and then you'll add a password. I'll suggest that you generate a password and then add other letters on the end of it, so it makes it more safe. You can forward it if you wish. You can have auto reply, but in this case we'll just add the email box. And also, if you want to create another one after it, you would click here, add mailbox, come out of that, and then if you scroll down you will see test at. What you can do, you can click on that, go into the account itself, and then obviously because we're in the demo you would have to log in. So that is a way of creating an email account within your hosting package. If you're interested in starting a real website, then please come over to the Good Web Start and you can click on this link here and you can read about the hosting. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please do, and then I can keep doing more updated videos for you and helping you as a beginner how to build a website.